So here we are again. I said I wasn't going to do the Sephora sale, and I wasn't, but last minute I got sucked in to buying stuff as usual. Lighting really sucks. Sorry guys, but it is what it is. But so last day of the sale, I just picked a couple things real quick, and I don't even remember what I bought. And oh, I've been wanting to try this, and it's not here. The salt sample, and it's fallen out somewhere. So let's pray that it. I'm gonna throw everything out real quick and look for it. Please tell me it's not broken. Okay, no, it's here, and it's not broken. But it has spilled a little bit. So let's try it out. Salty skin, the creamy heat of the sun, and a whiff of tropical floral salts is sensual, complex, and soul healing. Ylang Ylang, Tahitian tiar, ambergris, and sandalwood. Oh, that's interesting. You know, it smells like a melon at first, like cantaloupe. I was totally expecting, like, you know, suntan lotion or something. That's nice. Oh, okay. Next sale, I'm gonna have to get that. So the spring sale for the summer. Okay, keep that around. That's nice. Totally wasn't expecting that. Nice. Okay. Try that Westman TA stuff some other time. And I'm dropping crap. Okay. What did I pick up? I picked up Cozy Vibes candle, which apple spice, cozy cabin, and gingerbread cookie. They're the Sephora brand, so they were 30% off for the sale. Apple spice is a blend of Macintosh apples, cinnamon, and a hint of maple syrup. Cozy cabin is a blend of amber, cedarwood, oak moss, and pink berries. Gingerbread is caramel, gingerbread, and clove with vanilla. So that sounds delicious. We will see. Yeah, the gingerbread and the apple spice smells like your typical warm apple from, what is that called? The apple one from Bath and Body Works. The red one, I cannot remember what it's called. And then gingerbread. Cozy cabin though, I'm interested. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. And then I picked up travel essentials from Kayali. That has the Love Fest cherry that I want to try, vanilla 28, which I do like, and I do have half a bottle left of my mini over there up top, and then Eden juicy apple, which I'm intrigued. They look really nice. Ooh, yeah, those are nice bottles. Grab this other one so I can show you. It'll come out. Other ones came out real easy. This one's stuck. So Love Fest. Let me pull them up like this. They're really nice, thin, but they're really nice. So vanilla 28 is dark. Girl, it's darker than mine. Is that really old? What's wrong with black? Okay. Oh. It smells more vanilla than the one I currently have, so that's promising. Maybe it needs to age for it to smell better. Huh. Smells better than the one I have. Love Fest Burning Cherry. Oh. I'm really wanting to compare this to the Tom Ford dupe that I have. And then we've got Eden Juicy Apple. Oh. Hi. free on something. Oh, don't tell him. Oh, there it goes. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Okay. I am happy with that purchase. It's a good sample set or travel set. I like it. That smells really good. Eden smells really good. I like it. And then last, I ended up buying this Sephora Vanillas. Best of Vanillas. It's got Skylar, Juliet Has a Gun, Floral Street, Nest, and by Rosie Jane. And it looks like, let's see the scents. Dulce by Rosie Jane, Wild Vanilla Orchid by Floral Street, Vanilla Vibes. Oh, Costco has the full size, and that's why I wanted to get this sample. And cheap, like 60 bucks, 70 bucks for a decent size. Madagascar Vanilla from Nest and Vanilla Sky by Skylar. Oh, okay. I didn't even notice this. Try 5 samples, choose your favorite, get a travel size at no extra cost. So redeem included certificate at Sephora store or Sephora.com for a rollerball or travel spray of the featured fragrance. So I'm going to get a decent size traveler for free. Well, that was nice. So I got, this is $25 normal price, and I got it for, the middle tier. I'm not Rouge, but I'm almost at Rouge, but the middle tier. So I got 15% off. So got a discount and I get a free travel size. So, oh my God, am I so special? Yay. So that's gonna be fun. So I'm excited to try all of these out. Oh, and they're packaged like samplers. So you get this little deal to go redeem, but they all came, there's Vanilla Vibes, there's Dulce. So they came as if they were the sample. Nest, Skylar, and Floral Street. That's kind of cool, you know? Well, I shouldn't say it, because I could have gotten these. I know this one for sure was one of the free samples at one point. So I guess you could technically, if you wait long enough, you could pick one of the samples and get it. And, you know, I guess it's a wash. But I know that the roller balls are not cheap. At least the Skylar and the Floral Street and the Juliet Has a Gun, I think the roller balls are at least $30. So I think you end up, as long as you pick those, you end up at a better price. So I think the Nest is only $20 for the roller ball. So that would definitely not be worth it. So yeah, I'm excited to try those out and see if any of those are any good. I definitely need another vanilla that's closer to my vanilla Insensé because I'm running out, and in the secondary market, because you can't get it here anymore, the price is getting insane and I refuse to spend that much money. But I'm still on my hunt to find a dupe for my Contre Moi. That's my other vanilla that I love so much. So maybe one of these will be close. So we'll see. It has been a day, so I'm going to try to get through these as fast as possible. I pre-opened this one. Boo will get this in his crate. There's number 4. There's number 4. Ooh, do these look like... Okay, he might like those. Look like little granola bars or granola bits. So we'll look at those. We'll give them to Pickles too. And then this is a hot mess. My first Mad Monday is going to be about this calendar and the drama of getting this calendar. So it's just been quite the thing. A Demi Mini, natural wax, vegan, cocoa. Did I say chud? Oh, cocoa oud. Cocoa oud scent. Pickles is not having have in it right now. Looks like it's a little candle. Oh God, I don't think I like the smell of it. It is. It's a little... Do I need to blur that for monetization? Little nude candle. And I missed my chocolate last night, so it's still there. That's 3. And then this will be tonight, so that'll be after dinner. Girls is losing her mind right now. You need some wine, Bubba? Is that what you're... Yeah? You need the wine? She wants to eat hair. Disheveled Taylor. Hungry. That will be the wine. Real quick, we're watching this child, Rafael Gomez, complain about American Advent calendars, and it's quite hysterical. It's like, just cry me a river. Okay. Toast. Okay.
Königliche.
That's what it's called. He said it, not me.
I think it's king-like, maybe?
It's definitely not acidic. It's smooth.
It's not particularly sweet either.
It's not. It's like they had like tones of apple or something. Are you tasting that? I'm not. I can smell it. Like it smells like apple-y.
I guess.
It's okay.
Yeah. It's not bad. I'll finish the bottle.
By the end of this, we'll be drunks. Half bottle of wine every night. Good night.